Hello, it is I. Now a couple months ago, my dad swapped his old Mercedes Vito for a 2019 Mercedes Sprinter. What a beauty. And the best thing about it is that it had 69 and YWN on the number plate. And it's not even personalised. However, there was a bit of a problem. For a van so expensive, it wasn't very premium inside. It was too vanny and industrial. Whereas I wanted to make it look like the inside of an actual Mercedes. AMG-ify the car, if you could say that. So as Chris Eubank would say,
let me add a little bit of spice.
So you join me here on the Wheel Finesse website. These guys make covers for so many cars out there. Oh, what's that? You drive a Vauxhall Corsa? Boom! They make a Corsa wheel, an Astra, and pretty much every Vauxhall. Oh, what's that? You pronounce butter as butter, so you drive a Cadillac? They make wheels for Cadillacs as well. Oh my god, what the hell? That's a weird looking wheel. What car does that belong in? What? But yeah, my dad has a Sprinter, which is a Mercedes, so we'll go to Mercedes. Now the way you select the wheel is you just look at what wheel suits your car, and then you just select it. It looks like this one. Is it that one? I don't know. I'm gonna check. Yeah, it's that one. And here you can choose how to spec your wheel. Yes, I told you it's fully customizable. So yeah, because it's a van, I'm gonna try and go for an OEM look. I don't think I won't go for gloss red carbon because you can do that and it looks a bit mad, but I don't think it would suit the van. Gloss blue carbon fiber, gloss black carbon fiber. They got a lot of gloss forged carbon. Ooh, okay, this is a bit mad. Okay, so top and bottom section of the wheels, I think black Napa leather would be good and OEM looking. Left and right section of the wheel, okay, no questions about it, yeah. Italian black Alcantara, shut up, no questions about it. Marker on the 12 o'clock, so that means like on the center of the wheel, the little stripe thing, yeah, so I would like that, even though it's a van, I'd like that. But I want to make it look a little bit OEM, so let's just go to grey. Does your vehicle have malfunction buttons on the steering? What's a malfunction button? Oh, those are called malfunction buttons. I had no idea, I just called them steering wheel buttons. Yes, it does. Does your vehicle have flappy? It's a van. No, it doesn't. Stitching colours. Now, you know what, I'm just gonna go with grey. What's this? M Sport stitch. Oi! No, I'm not gonna do that, but that's a bit mad. Yeah, and if you're not sure that your wheel would fit, then you could send pictures to like, send to the people and be like, would this fit or not? And then they'll let you know. Yeah, all of that seems good with me. And now let's order the thing. But before we carry on with the video, did you know that over half of you guys watching have not subscribed? Yep, and you might be one of them. If so, then do make sure to subscribe down below. We are so close to our end goal of 200k by the end of this year, so any help would be greatly appreciated. And if we can hit 4,000 likes, then I'll make much more of these real life videos. Thank you very much, and now let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so here is the Wheel Finesse steering wheel cover thing. Doing a little POV unboxing. Ooh, look at that! Anyways, that was satisfying. Good job, yeah. Ooh, here it is, your custom Wheel Finesse steering wheel cover. My custom. Oh, what the? Ooh, oh, that feels soft. Oh, I'm just rubbing my face in it, I'm sorry. It's so soft. But yeah, here's the actual steering wheel cover. Look at that. So here's the little Alcantara bit. Here's the leather. Oh, that feels so nice. Here's the center line. Oh man, you know, I think I made a good choice. See, I told you it's nothing like those Halford steering wheels. It's not like something you just wrap on the steering wheel and leave it. It's like something you actually have to stitch in. Speaking of stitching in, look. On the topic of stitching, literally never stitched anything in my life. So this is gonna be the ultimate noob test to see if I can stitch a steering wheel. If I can do it, then you guys can do it, definitely. This is my first time working with an actual car company as well on YouTube, so yeah, it looks all messy right now, but once it's done, it does give it that proper OEM finish. So yeah, big up Wheel Finesse, hooking your boy out with a yeah, we got and it's very soft towel. I'm gonna keep this towel forever. I'm gonna sleep with it. Not like that, but like, I'm just gonna like, wear it on my face sometimes. It's so soft. Anyway, this isn't it's about this. So yeah, big up Wheel Finesse for hooking me up with this very nice thing, and also the steering wheel thing. And let's get into installing this thing.
My time is so valuable, it's no longer casual. They say I'm a beast, I hop on the mic and turn to an animal.
Okay, so we are in the van right now, and it's not a very good day outside. No vibes at all, no vibes at all, but there are vibes in myself, so we are sorted. I hate when water gets inside the car, that's so annoying. But here's the steering wheel, and here is the cover. Stick double-faced adhesive tape. I have done that. I literally have no idea if this would fit or not, so moment of truth. I'm gonna have to stretch it. Okay, I did the top and the bottom. Now for the sides. Ooh, man's done it, you know. Yeah, that seems to line up pretty well. Okay, we're taking the double-sided tape off. Yes. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got the Scotland game today. Who do you think's gonna win? I think it's gonna be 2-0 to England. Yeah. I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll. I'm on a spring roll. Oi. Oh, push it together then now. We'll start from the bottom, as Drake does.
12.
Okay, I think it will just push the things in. Despite being a car guy, I barely do any car work, so this is a bit mud. Shit. That just broke. Okay. Wow, I'm terrible at this. Oh, yes. I think I have done it. So yeah, here's a better view. So I did tuck in this bit and there seems to be a little bit of excess here. And here, there seems to be like no excess. I don't know, I feel like if I just stitch everything then it would end up looking good. I don't know, trial and error I guess. So yeah, let's get into stitching. It says penetrate from inside, so you shall be penetrated. Oh, that would be so weird out of context. I am so sorry to anybody who stitches for a living. Okay, pull. Oh, seems decent at the moment. Oh, I did something. Okay, so here's a better look at what I'm doing. That's what it looks like so far. So it seems alright, but the string kind of gets tangled if it focuses. It's not straight, but it's tightening, so I think that's good. But yeah, we'll just carry on doing that. Hope for the best. Okay, so let's carry on with the stitching. I really hope there aren't any like sewing experts watching this being like, oh, he's doing it wrong. Oh, he's doing a double knot in a single knot. Oh. Shush, please. I literally don't know how to do this. Okay, as the Germans say, bonjour, guten Tag. Okay, so here's the stitching so far. I think my technique is sort of right, but I need to work on like tightening the things because that is very loose. This part is really hard to stitch, so especially at this angle, so nice. I am so terrible at stitching, but it does seem like it's coming to place. I mean, can't really get the stitches here to properly work, so screw it. I cannot wait to do this bit because this bit seems so much easier than this bit. I notice I do better when I don't record, so I'm gonna do this bit on my own and then I'm gonna film this bit. Update, I just completed this other side and Jesus, I have done such a good job. I am, okay, not to toot my horn or anything yet. First time yet. Alright, look at that. That's genuinely perfect. I've never, wow. I mean, I don't know how to finish it off, but yeah, I learned from these mistakes. The thing is to keep pulling the string, because I think for this I just let it loose and then like here it's all loose and stuff. But with this, once I do one thing, I proper pull it and then I do the other one, proper pull it, and it all results in a very OEM fit. Mate, first time! Ignore that bit. Let's just focus on how good this one is, yeah? Oh, I'm so proud of myself for that. Okay, so it's ready now. After a long while, let me just turn the wheel. There you go. Yeah. Okay, shut up, Yuwan. I have a really bad feeling that this one's... Oh, yeah. How did I do that? Why is it that as soon as I turn on the camera, I just turn terrible? Pull tight. Yes! Oh, look how... That's very flush. Oh, wow. Yeah, I just realised something. Yeah, I messed up the centre line bit. That's completely my mistake. Why did I do that? It's not that, but I mean, it is very bad. Why did I do that? I'm so terrible at life. You know what? It's going to be hidden away. Let's just ignore the fact that that's there. If it's properly installed by a professional, it'll probably be perfect. But this is what happens when you get a Yuwan to install your thing. Look at my Vans. The stitching, this looks decent, but this centerline bit messed it up a little bit, so let's just ignore that I ever did that. But yes, we continue because we don't take no L's. No, we don't take no L's, as the great Deji says. Look at the stitching. I can kind of talk like Mr. Bean. Let's just put the stitching up. That sounds nothing like Mr. Bean. I don't know why I'm playing that. Time to turn the wheel again because it's uncomfortable. Okay, so I did top quarter of the stitch thing and it looks good, it looks good, and then I kind of ruined it here. It's so hard how to finish it off. And the centerline bit, I did obviously mess it up, as you can see, but when you're driving, you barely notice it. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of that. I've only got this bit to do next, and then we shall be finished. Okay, time to do the other bit, and then we're finished. Oi! I need to turn the steering wheel again so that it's comfy. There you go. Why did I say comfy? I'm not brummy. You know what? Do you want to see a hands-on experience of how I do it? Okay. Come here, you! This is what it looks like so far. So I leave a gap and then I thread it through the other one and then I pull it close. So, you know, there's a gap and then there's a gap there. There's a gap. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright. Oh, Mercedes. More like Mercedes.
Later.
We are doing so well. Okay. Ignore that. Okay, but we need to turn the steering wheel so we can work on this bit, and then we'll be finished with All we need to do is cut it off, and then I'll show you the finished result before and after, so you can see the difference that my noob stitching does, you know. So yeah, let's cut it off.
Like TGIs, they touch us, we pay them back like it's PPI. Let's ride, get animated like CGI. They're being a hype man, can't find mime and then I'll settle for his right hand. You can't buy heart, remember.
And that's the end of the video. I really hope you guys did enjoy this one. I got very wet while filming this, so please do like the video. If you hit 4,000 likes, and I'll make much more of these real life videos, seeing as you guys seem to really enjoy them and they are pretty fun to make. Once the weather clears up, I will be making more of those 10 cars 1 hour challenge videos, because that was really fun to make. A huge thank you to a huge thank you to Wheel Finesse for sending me this. Yeah, they were previously known as Fat Bits, but now they're Wheel Finesse, so I hope to collab with them again, do some more videos like this. Also, make sure to comment down below literally anything, because it helps out a lot with the YouTube algorithm and more people would watch it. So, and I will catch up with you guys very soon. Until next time, have a good one, guys. Stay safe, stay inside. Until next time, cheers.
My dineros, what I'm out to get. Sombrero, I get hat and then I'm out again. Got an A1 Chica with a drive like a 3 litre, that's what she needs D4, like the